Right. Question 8. Triangle A and triangle B are drawn on the coordinate grid. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So this is a transformation question. So we need to think about what's happening to A to get to B. And if you've been doing your revision on transformations, you'll be able to tell that this is a rotation, okay? And it's a rotation by 180 degrees, right? So we just now need to find the center of the rotation. To find the center, I'll pick a point at A, and I'll see how I get to that same point at B. So to get to that same point, we'll go down 2 and across 2. So to find the center, we'll just half it. So we'll go down a half, so half of 2 basically, which is 1, and across half of 2, which is 1. So our center is at -1, 0. So what we write is a rotation, because that's the type of transformation it is, of 180 degrees about the center -1, 0. And that will get you 3 marks. Part B, describe fully the single transformation that is equivalent to a reflection in line x equals 3, followed by a translation by 4, 0. You may use the grid above to help you. So what I'll first do is draw the line x equals 3, like so. So it's basically a straight line that goes through the x-axis at 3. Okay. Once I've done that, I will now draw the reflection of this triangle, like so. Okay. And now I would do a translation by 4, 0. So that's basically shifting this triangle 4 positions to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to basically find out a single transformation that does the same thing. And this would be a reflection across the line x equals 5. Okay? And how you can check that's correct, if we just take a point here, we need to do 1, 2, 3 jumps to that mirror line. Point the same point here, 1, 2, 3 jumps to the mirror line. And that's it. So you'd write reflection across x equals 5.